Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Manzil. So in today's video we will discuss some important English words. Let's begin. First one is allege, which is a verb. The meaning of allege is claim or aropit karna. Synonyms are assert, declare, and antonym is deny. Example sentence is he alleged that he had been immensely assaulted. Eligible, which is an adjective which means entitled. Synonyms are permitted or allowed, and antonym is ineligible. Example sentence is customers who are eligible for discounts would be given the same. Next is disposal, which is a noun which means niptara karna or distribution. Synonyms are allotment, allocation. Antonym is keeping. Example sentence is the disposal of his shares in the company was meant to be done soon. Next is resurgence, which is a noun which means renewal. Synonyms are revival and recovery. Antonym is failure. Example sentence is a resurgence of interest in religion led him to ultimate peace. Next is spur or noun which means prerna dena or stimulus. Synonyms are incentive, encouragement. Antonym is disincentive. Example sentence is wars act as a spur to knowledge and practical invention. Next is mercy, which is a noun which means leniency. Synonyms are lenience or clemency. Antonym is ruthlessness. Example sentence is the boy was begging for mercy. Next is infamous yani ki notorious. Synonyms are disreputable or ill-famed, and antonym is reputable. Example sentence is an infamous criminal was finally caught. Next is adventurous, which means daring. Synonyms are daredevil or intrepid. Antonym is cautious. Example sentence is I am an adventurous traveler. Next one is induce, which is a verb which means pursued. Synonyms are convince or get. Antonym is dissuade. Example sentence is the pickets induced many workers to stay away. Last word is avert, which is a verb which means tarna or prevent karna. Synonyms are stop or avoid. Antonym is aid. Example sentence is talks fail to avert a rail strike. So that's all for today. All the words are very important from the exam point of view. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you so much.